I sought the guided practicum because I felt like I understood what needed to be taught and why it needed to be taught, but I wasn't quite sure how to start teaching it. I am a slow processor, and I really wanted that feedback to be able to take what I've learned and what I see is really important and apply it.
The part that I really liked about it was that I could incorporate the things that I was learning in the training into my classroom. It has helped me to realize that I have to teach explicitly and just try to look at all the components in order to support my students with their reading. So especially like phonemic awareness plays a very big part in helping students to learn.
During the practicum, we sit and we actually made our first lessons together. I at no point have felt like I had a lot of work to do at home on my own that I didn't know what to do. I've had a lot of supports, and I feel really confident with the lessons that I've created and the way that I've taught them.
We started to implement the science of reading through root literacy design, all of the lessons that Heather had designed and provided for us. The training has helped me because I have completely revamped how I teach reading. It's effective, and it's proven.